Okay, we have now reached into the final part of this module as well as this section, where we will try to cover how exactly these consultant cases are used to test your creative solving mindset. And when I say creative mindset, the very first thing comes to your mind would be, I'm a consultant. Okay, I understand that I need to solve data. Why need to have a creative mindset? The thing is very simple. The businesses are growing at a very fast pace. The competition is growing at a very fast rate. Now, the challenges and the problems we are experiencing are creative themselves. And as I say, creative problems require creative solutions. And that is why you would see that these consulting cases would always have a qualitative component which is beyond your quantitative component. You need to ensure that you are comprehending everything which is said to you in the quantitative part and delivering your thoughts in a qualitative way which are creative. Let's say your company is experiencing a declining profit. That is due to your declining sales. And once the declining sales, you need to understand what is causing it. Let's say you run a business which is very similar to selling a garments in a particular store or a layout. One creative solution is, why not do the online shipping? Why not partner with something like Amazon? That is one way of thinking creativity. But that is not the end. The businesses you would be talking to would have already implemented all these basic things which you would come up with. So you need to ensure that you are bringing your A game while doing your creative thinking. And that is one of the key aspects what the interviewer would look for, because they want individuals with a very broad and a creative mindset, because the problem they are facing or the companies are facing are way beyond the conventional which were there last 10 years or so. Post COVID, this has further multiplied and the businesses are experiencing problems they never even thought about. And that is why I'm saying you need to have a very creative mindset. And that is why I'll tell you that these consulting cases are structured in a way where they can test your creative mindset. In this entire section, we covered why do we need these consulting cases. First, they help interviewers a lot in deciding if you are the right fit. They help them in three different ways. First, figuring out do you have the right problem solving mindset. Second, are you a good communicator? Or as I say, are you the right communicator? Finally, do you have the creative mindset? Doesn't mean if you're just analytical, you need to have a creative mindset, because the world is ever changing and we look for a creative problem solver. Finally, just bringing all this together, I believe you have now understood what these consulting cases are and why do we need them. In the next part of this course, I'll deep dive and discuss each of this in detail and how exactly you should prepare for these structure individually, one by one, to actually ace your interviews. I'll see you in the next section where we'll start discussing this entire case interview process one on one in detail and provide you the entire cheat code or the cheat sheet you need to excel in it. I'll see you there. Till then, I'll wish you a very happy learning, and we will ensure that you are on the right path towards a journey toward management consulting. As I've said and mentioned multiple times, wherever you are, whatever time you are watching this, feel free to ping me on Discord, your dedicated community, if you are part of this course. And I would be more than happy to answer any question you would have about this case interview process, and would be more than happy to help you out so that you get into management consulting. I'll see you in the next section. Thank you.